Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 16A of chapter 16 parallelograms. One question is written here. In question number 1, ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A equal to 110 degree. Find the measure of each of the angles, angle B, angle C and angle D. First of all, I draw a figure of parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Angle A equal to 110 degree. Right? In parallelogram ABCD. In parallelogram ABCD, angle A equal to 110 degree. We know that the sum of adjacent sides is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of sum of adjacent angles. We know that the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That implies angle A equal to 110 degree plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That implies angle B equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree equal to 70 degree answer. Angle A and angle B. Now find angle C. Angle C equal to angle A equal to 110 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles. So answer. Now find angle D. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Angle D equal to angle B. Angle B equal to 70 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of this exercise. In this question, two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 16. Adjacent angle A and B. Angle A equal to 3x minus 4 degree and angle B equal to 3x plus 16 degree. Find the value of x and hence find the measure of each of its angle. We know that the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles. Sum of adjacent angle. That implies angle A equal to 3x minus 4 degree plus angle B equal to 3x plus 16 degree equal to 180 degree. Solve it. 3x plus 3x equal to 6x. 16 degree minus 4 degree equal to 12 degree. So 6x equal to 180 degree minus 16 degree minus 4 degree equal to 12 degree. So by transposition change into minus 12 degree. 180 degree minus 12 degree. Subtract it. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2, 8. And 7 minus 1, 6. And 1. 168 degree. Now x equal to, find the value of x. So x equal to 168 degree by 6. Divide it. 6 3 is 18. So 6 2 is 12. 4. 6. 4 and 8. 48. 6 8 is 6 8 is 48. So the value of x is 28 degree. Answer. Now find first of all angle A. Angle A equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal. So angle A equal to 3x minus 4 degree equal to 3 into the value of x is 28 degree minus 4 degree equal to 28 3 is 84 degree minus 4 degree equal to us 80 degree. Angle A equal to angle C equal to 80 degree. Now find angle B equal to. Angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So angle B equal to angle D equal to 3x plus 16 degree equal to 3 into the value of x is 28 degree plus 16 degree equal to 28 3 is 84 degree plus 16 degree. Add it. 4 plus 6 10 of 0 carry 1. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 100 degree. Answer. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 5. In this question, the sum of two opposite angles of a parallelogram is 130 degree. Find the measure of each of its angle. Opposite angle is angle A equal to angle C. Here given is sum of two opposite angles. That means angle A plus angle C equal to 130 degree. So let angle A equal to X. Let angle A equal to angle X. So angle C, then angle C equal to 130 degree minus X, because the sum of angle A and C is 130 degree. So let angle A equal to X, then angle C equal to 130 degree minus X. So this angle is 130 degree minus X. Now find the value of X first of all. The sum of two opposite angles is 130 degree. So angle A plus angle B, opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal. So showing opposite angles. That implies angle A equal to X, angle B equal to 130 degree minus X. That implies X minus x by transposition change into plus x equal to 130 degree. That implies 2x equal to 130 degree. That implies x equal to 130 degree by 2. That means 65 degree. So angle A equal to angle C equal to x equal to 65 degree answer. And next angle B find. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angles. That implies so angle A equal to 65 degree plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That implies angle B equal to 180 degree minus plus 65 by transposition minus 65 equal to 115 degree. Answer. Now we have to find the angle D. Angle B equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Angle D equal to angle B equal to 115 degree. Opposite angles. Understand and write it. Now question number 7. This last question today. In this question, the perimeter of a parallelogram is 140 cm. The perimeter of a parallelogram is 140 cm. If one of the sides is longer than the other by 10 cm, find the length of each of its side. So, draw a figure of parallelogram. A, B, C and D. Longer side suppose let L and shorter side is B. So L let B equal to X, then L equal to X plus 10 C. Let the other side be X. Then the one side equal to X plus 10. According to question, perimeter equal to 140 cm. Perimeter equal to 140 cm. That implies perimeter of parallelogram also 2 into L plus B equal to 140 cm. That implies 2 into L equal to X plus 10 plus B X equal to 140. That implies X plus X 2X. 2X plus 10 multiply by 2. So 4X plus 20 equal to 140 cm. That implies 4x equal to 140 minus 20 equal to 120 cm. So x equal to 120 by 4 equal to 30 cm. Now side AB equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal, and BC equal to DA. AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD equal to x plus 10 equal to 30 plus 10 equal to 40. 40 cm. Now next side is BC. BC equal to DA equal to x equal to 30 cm. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 16A, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.